Hey y'all, it's your girl AdoriAsia, and I'm back with another video. Back with another video for you. Oh, we're just gonna jump right into it, you know? Like, today, in case you haven't read the title yet, you might have to take my black card away because I don't know how to cornrow.
You serious?
And with all this extra time that we have, I might as well learn, right?
Nope.
So that's what we're gonna do. So my hair is freshly washed. I do have some leave-in conditioner in here. It is a bit wet, but it's okay. It's all right. It's okay. If I need to let it dry some more, I'll just take my towel and, you know, wrap it up, whatever. But I queued up a video of this lady teaching people how to cornrow, all right? Her name is Ida Find Me, and we're gonna make it do what it do, boo, all right? I stopped it to where she parted her hair. Let me move you guys in a little bit closer. All right, so this is the view we're gonna have today, I think. Alrighty, so I went ahead and put my hair back and I straightened this piece. Well, I didn't straighten it, I blow dried it. And this just makes me want to do the rest of my head. Look how beautiful. She's versatile. Even though she still wants to curl up at the ends. It's fine. So now that we have a little part here, because, you know, sis ain't trying to spend the whole video trying to braid her hair back. I'm trying to learn the basics. So now that we have our part, I'm gonna go ahead and start this video so we can get this video started.
Patting, even though this may be a different technique. So what I'm going to do is, keeping my hand pretty close to my scalp, is I'm gonna get section 1. And then using my middle finger, I'm gonna go in between from the back side, from the back of it, in between the other one to separate that now. Okay? Now I'm going to grab the last section of—
You going too fast, ma'am. You guys see my breakage? This is what we're trying to fix, but it's okay. Right now we're braiding it. So she said this, and then middle finger through the back side is what she said.
Closest to the left with my middle finger. Grab that over.
Wait, back up, sis.
So you're pretty used to plaiting, even though this may be a different technique. So what I'm going to do is, keeping my hand—
All right.
Scalp,
Okay, I'm ready.
Section 1. Now I'm going to grab the last section, the one closest to the left, with my middle finger. I'm going to grab that over. And now this middle section is just dangling, my left hand is free. So with my thumb and my index finger on my left hand, I'm going to grab that middle section close to my scalp and use my middle finger to now grab the one that is being held.
Pause, sis. Okay, I gotta do this again. I gotta do it again. My arms hurt. So for me, I kind of get the idea of braiding. It's just my execution sucks. So she said, one, two. Okay, I think we're good.
By my index finger and my thumb on my right hand. So I'm grabbing that over. Now I can let go with my right hand because that's free. Now we have this piece dangling. With this dangling piece, which now kind of becomes the middle piece, we're going to go and grab with my middle finger the one that the index finger and thumb is holding with my left hand. So the way this works is your middle finger is always grabbing the one that your index finger—
This is not good. I'm trying to keep my black card, you know? And sometimes this shit is hard. I always thought it was... Okay, what am I doing? I tried to do it by myself just now, but that obviously didn't work.
To separate it in half. Now it's grabbing the one that's closest to the left. So now, right now what's happening, my left hand is free. My right hand, with my middle finger, I'm going to go and grab the one that's being held by my index finger and thumb on my right hand. So there, grab that over, bring it over to me. So now I can let go on my right hand. So, with my right hand again, grabbing the one that is free. My middle finger, going to grab the one that's being held by my index finger and thumb. If I grab it, I can let go. Yeah? So one hand is always the easiest way for me to do it. Now this hand is free.
This is depressing.
One eternity later.
Hair and bringing it in. We're separating it, getting a small amount of hair and bringing it in. Hand side, still from the right hand side, and right hand the end of the plait, making sure moving your hand is so that you can run through to make sure there's no off. So now,
would you look at that? All right, so we're gonna stop right there. We're gonna do it again. We're gonna attempt to do it one more time. Woo, child. Okay. You guys, it got better. It got better. It got better. I did something. Okay, we're gonna try one more time. One more time, one more time. One more time. My arms, I can tell you right now, I will never be braiding my own hair back. I just wanted to be able to do it so I could do 2 braids. That's it. After following the tutorial and filming, I went ahead and I attempted to do those 2 braids down the back of my head. And I think it turned out pretty darn good, if I may say so myself. It turns out that braiding in the thicker parts or the bigger sections was a little easier for me, at least, than doing that small section that y'all see me struggling through right now. But this is the 3rd try, and let's just take a look at this. If you think I did a good job at my first attempt, well, this is not my first attempt, but my first time looking at a tutorial and trying to braid my hair, if you think I did a good job, leave a comment down below. Smash that like button, because for the work that I put in just now, my thing is grabbing close. Like, grabbing close is hard for me, but you know. All right, so if you just sat through watching me attempt to learn how to braid so I can keep my black card, I just want to say thank you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you for supporting me. If you don't know how to cornrow, let me know. Let me know. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, because why wouldn't you? Bye.